Want to know the secret to stopping the scroll on Instagram and LinkedIn? It's not just a single image anymore. It's the swipe. Welcome to All About AI, your go-to channel for leveraging artificial intelligence. Today, I'm going to show you how to create professional, high-engagement carousel posts in under 5 minutes using the power of AI. Studies show Instagram carousels can get up to 22% more engagement than single images, and on LinkedIn, they consistently outperform other content types. So let's get started. First, why do carousels work so well? They increase the time people spend on your post, which tells the algorithm your content is valuable. This boosts your reach and engagement. You can use them for tutorials, product showcases, or sharing industry trends. Now for the magic. There are many AI tools out there like Gamma, Canva, AI Carousel, DocHip, Simplified, and Post Nitro to create visually stunning carousels with minimal effort. But for speed and ease, we're using Gamma today. In recent AllAboutAI tests, Gamma scored a 5-star rating for its fast setup and high-quality designs. Here's how you do it in just a few clicks. Step 1. Go to gamma.app and click Create New AI. Step 2. Choose Generate and select the social format for your carousel. Step 3. Enter a simple prompt. Example: create a 7-slide carousel on AI marketing tips in a bold, modern style. Step 4. Let the AI generate an outline. You can tweak it right there. Step 5. Customize it. Change the theme colors to match your brand and select AI-generated or stock images. Step 6. Once you're happy, click Generate. And just like that, you have a professional-looking carousel ready to go. Now that your carousel is ready, exporting is key. For LinkedIn, export it as a PDF. LinkedIn treats multi-page PDFs as a swipeable document, which gets more clicks than other formats. For Instagram, export the slides as a series of still images, like JPEGs or PNGs. Instagram lets you post up to 10 slides in one carousel. Here are 3 quick tips to make your carousels even better. Lead with a strong hook. Your first slide must grab attention to encourage that first swipe. Keep text minimal. Aim for less than 30 words per slide so it's easy to read on mobile. End with a clear call to action. Tell your audience exactly what to do next, like save this post for later or follow for more tips. Carousels aren't just creative, they're performance drivers. And there you have it. You no longer need to be a design expert to create stunning carousels that boost your engagement and build your authority online. With AI tools, you can deliver valuable content in a format that people love to interact with. For a full breakdown of the best AI carousel tools we tested and more in-depth guides, be sure to check out the description below. Thanks for watching All About AI. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which AI tool you're going to try first. See you in the next video.